A review of Overnight Millionaire System by...
Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Pay attention, look at me. Don't ever let another person tell you that your dreams are not real. Guess what? They told me I was gonna fail. Look at that. They told me that I wasn't going to make it. Look at that. The teachers at school, they told me I was gonna fail. Look at that. In the army, you know what they did in the military? They kicked me out of the military. But guess what? I still made it. I still made it. You know what? People in my family said I wouldn't do big things, and I did it. What I want to tell you is this. Whatever you're thinking about, whatever you're praying about, whatever you're believing, change the mindset. That's the key. That's the secret. If you change you, everything changes. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go!
Wesley Virgin full package mind hacks secretly used by the rich and famous. I want it, but what do I get with the Overnight Millionaire system? Vibrational wealth coded frequencies, brain reprogram, that activate your right brain wealth receptors. Hypnotic suggestions, millionaires and billionaires' best kept secret. Neuro-linguistic programming belief transformation, Eastern ritual to change cancerous beliefs in 7 days flat. Emotionalized journal writing to accelerate goal achievement. Imagine hitting your biggest goal in the next 30 days. Guided visualization exercise, induce clarity to see desired goals easier. Powerful sleep subliminal audios, program your brain for millions while you sleep like a baby. Negative thought deprogramming, say goodbye to all negative thoughts. Unconscious manipulation to boost instant change. Alpha state inductions to clear your mind for rapid manifestations. Be careful what you wish for while in this state, because it will happen fast. Sacred words that trigger good feelings. These words triple the oxytocin and serotonin levels in your body. Feel good hormone.
If you got a 9-to-5 job right now, you're poor.
Remember, we was broke, remember, Lord forgive me, let nobody touch me.
Hey folks, hey, stop playing around. Stop playing around. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. See, you're looking at this car right now, and this is piquing your interest, right? I know you're looking at advertising right now, but check it out. Stop looking at the car and pay attention to me, okay? Now, how did I get here? Because I'm not playing around. You playing, you're on Instagram, you're on Facebook, right? You're on Snapchat, taking pictures all day, and at the same time, you want to be a multimillionaire, right? Am I right? I'm talking to you. Am I right? Right? You're going home, you're going to sleep and say, I had a hard day at work, so I'm not going to work on my dream. And you expect those types of habits, that types of behavior is going to put you in here? Let me share something with you. This is from the top of my heart. It won't. Because most of you that's watching videos and advertisements like this, you're playing. You're not serious. You might say, no, I'm Wesley, I'm serious. Well, how serious are you? Stop playing basketball so much. Stop watching the basketball games. Stop watching the reality shows. Cut the fucking TV off. Okay? Go to your house. Stop opening up books. You know what? Take action. Do something. How much information do you need to learn about the internet before you start to build a website? How many YouTube videos do you need to look at before you just create a fucking YouTube video? Just create something. Stop playing around, guys. My name is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. I'm not smart. I'm not intelligent. I'm not even like this magnificent person. But the thing that's very amazing about me, I take fucking action. When people told me that I couldn't do it, when they told me I was a loser, when they said, hey, stop screaming on video. You know, I used to have my shirt off on video, search YouTube, slapping my chest. And I said, I'm fucking great. And this is when I was driving a 1988 Honda Accord. This is when I was sleeping on an air mattress with my 2 children in the other bedroom. But I kept believing, but I wasn't playing around. You see what I'm doing right now? See, I'm doing a video for you to click the link so you can get some information to take you out of your situation and put you in a desirable situation. I want to take you out of that average 9-to-5, that poor type of mentality. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Yeah, I'm calling you a poor mentality because guess what? If you got a 9-to-5 job right now, you're poor to me. I don't care if you're making $50,000, $100,000 a year. If you're spending time away from your family, you're poor, you're broke. Life is meant to be experienced. But you do that by not playing around. Take life seriously. Hey guys, I'm sharing some from the top of my heart right now, man. I'm nothing special. And I believe that you watching this video, it's a reason why we're here. Stop looking at the car all the time. That's what you want. You want me to show you all my whips, right? You want to see all my cars, and guess what? Hell yeah, they pay it off. And yes, they're mine. But don't look at that. Look what you, look, this is the grind. Right now, this is an advertisement, right? You watching it. It's the grind. Yes, I want you to click the link to get more information that can put you in a better situation, but this is the grind, right? I know some of you pissed off right now, but I love you. I wish someone would have told me this when I was in my 20s. I'll be a billionaire right now. You have one opportunity to change the rest of your life, but it's up to you to choose when. Let's go!
Remember, we was broke, remember, Lord forgive me, let nobody catch me, I can't hold my temper, Remember, we was broke, remember, used to trap the rental, open up the magazine, my face is something, Remember, wait, nah, let me jog it, I just keep them bank notes, whoa, I don't jog shit.
Ahmed Subi channel, subscribe and hit the like.